It's cake.
You think he likes it, babe?
I think he likes it. Here you go, Emma. Here you go, Katie. Cake. Here's a spoon, honey. Oh, surprised? I didn't think you were going to do it. Come over here,
Or you can go out there.
Here you go.
Ruby, go by Mama.
His hands are going to be permanently stained blue, by the way. Didn't really think through the blue thing.
That's alright.
That makes it more fun, Julian.
Oh, of course. Always remember his first birthday party. Whoops. You gonna eat it? You want more? He won't do it by himself.
It's just a light. He's afraid it's going to catch fire.
Here.
Put your hand out.
Can you put it in? Here.
Come on, bud, you gotta eat that. Oh, yeah.
Are you filming it?
No, there's no film involved.